Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can delete your browsing history or how you can delete your search history and the Google Chrome. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to go to our PC and then we have to open the Chrome here. So as you can see, I've already opened it. Now simply we have to click on these three dot option and then we have to go to the download and history option. As you can see, you will be able to the history option here. This is the history option. If you want to directly delete it, you can also do that. You have this option here, but I'm going to history option. So let's click on the history. And now you will be redirected to the history here. As you can see, now you'll be able to see all the things here. And if you want to delete this, you have to click on this option. And after clicking on this, now you have to choose the time range here, last hour, 24 hours, or the 7 days, or the last 4 weeks, are the all time. So it's up to you. You have to choose that. And then you, after choosing the time, then you have to click on the delete data and the data will be deleted. So in this way, you can delete your browsing history. In this way, you can delete your search history on the Google Chrome. I hope you guys understand this video that how you can do that. So see you in the next video.